Doing Zambala after a long time. A long time zero after chi the chi more after chi the chi. So the day mapa last year in this same Pakagi junction nala. So at the same time so kaya do bike ko le sila binuwi la bike. So finally watching our personal bike personal bike chalavi the rental na beto lag so Himalayan 450 to Matigi ani creator dunala tourism creator fantasy to rental na dunala and dunne paka thola price so ani having na thandola and bike so actually not a personal well in me so the one winter with rental na tam da benefit dun ho gaya so ani dele channel rental na tam tani dikhi na channel beta rental na tam dolo so rental jo china ani lecture automobiles na so Royal Enfield showroom na lela so china jo almost like 8 bikes achieve la rental na go but all Himalayan 450 la 450 not more than 2 years old bike lah. So like it's almost all new lah. So rental na go bachin national top la rental na. So first na di mapata kare ino ko ta the bike shop de rental na tam dalu. Sita dara me tano ko. So I never know ni di first na la. But this is Royal Enfield la Royal Enfield. So Royal Enfield is wale. Chamto to me tano sila. People say that actually Zoira they were but so the Janto to the net Nigeria so and the camera is sticky side mobbing Mata ship yasnova so I think it's stop there local reposition there so all of this Royal Enfield up there so far any bike it's all like almost like 18,000 so this is like 17,900 okay low level 18 years in 18k Junela low level kilometer ki low level danela kilometer ki low level so I'll not record in that record it here kilometer ki low level so it's low level 18,000 kilometers kilometers 18,000 अब 18,000 ya sih tinggi
itu aja mana sel lagi nak kata round about bola so ana ini so nabe ya tadi wajin tujulah atau di center kali bola halat itu nih ke jago kati untuk kati jadi gila so this is my own bike lah ini itu aja 450 Casabro so I think 9 months that we have it 9 months and the kilometer is 18,001 The jam 18,000 Juliana on the way. So another kachira install piece which I'll start from the head mola. So any Royal Enfield ki headlight grill. Royal Enfield ki headlight grill chitui. Then the Moto Genius ki any shock or ki boot la. But I don't know. Kade vesi bigger. So that sense I need to get you. So any shock or this one of a deep muddy tampa area of a jodalu. That's a safe bounce. So I have a Mototalk GPS mount, and this is my custom clamp. So this I made at my service center. So this is actually knuckle guard ki this part la. Actually hemagi old knuckle guards ki this part I made for Insta mount. Then this is the insert stick, but it's not original Insta 360 kilo. So I need the aftermarket key. Adobe is in TV brand key, but nothing is here. Hana look at it, but you brand this. So quality okay. It's me. I'm teaching the So TV and mount Instagram. Same china. Then I have this REG Royal Enfield knuckle guard. So the adventure knuckle guard. So see, times I mean higher na babi boto tan most times see. So this is very nice la. In fact, winter na di I think the wind goes through. So love this. If you don't have proper gloves, love this jammable. So we have another one, which is like Himalayan 411 scram kit. This that is nice if you want to block rain and wind. I think this is also Moto Genius key na team zombie, not sure. Riser chi and this is Royal Enfield bar pad, and this was like gifted to me by somebody. This side I have Mototalk crash guard, very nice Mototalk killer. It's a little bit bulky. So if you want lightweight, you have RE Royal Enfield, which is like a small bit lightweight. Then the another one here, most important, is the fog light, Mad Dog Kill Scout. So you can change this line. So I have three colors, yes, black, transparent, and I think it's one is yellow. Fog light so just the cover okay. Going towards the rear, I have this Royal Enfield top box mount. So this is the top box mount. It looks nice. And this is the pannier box mount. Pannier box mount. The Animchi Mila. So rest the okay. So I have this master sling with that. One right here. So I need a Mototalk. So this is all from Mototalk. So I need to do long in it. So para do okay do. And this is a tank pack from Rhinox. The helmet is Royal Enfield. So I have some mounts like this mount. Sorry, this look. Insta mount self custom. So I need to do so this is my Himalayan deal.
Garalo traffic rules the Garebo follow Benal. Recently, I paid a fine. Last time there was a Harley Davidson. 1800 cc lah. So like the Harley Davidson 1800 cc. Fat Bob now, then I'm not sure, but it is came to Royal Enfield. Sorry. No, it's traffic rules they follow the nala. But I don't know. I just put myself so I paid 750 lah fine. So I hardly time couple lah. I ad hoc penny digi. I forgot to wear the helmet lah. So running out of yes, six dollar. I thought it. I have to pay it. Then look it was like halam chasna dahanja ki losing like this. Then one of the customer made a video of me riding a Harley. So Khatam was the same with it. So I received the video and it looks very cool. TikTok na upload to pay like TikTok na lo. TikTok na upload to pay. Wow, this is the letter. Comment on it. How to see this letter? Comment, you know. So recently, I think it's last week. I traffic police showed up to our showroom. They was asking how did you TikTok na Americano. Nara in bed, the guy na. It was me. They are officer jungle there. That's the level they are officer. So it falls on the offense. Without helmet gira in the so ada shit technology biro me mashiwa yasno so trying to car biro mashi ani sola tham mashi member ati with bimbe kahi rules follow dena wear helmet all the time wear proper gear helmet len bo dream la daro kilometer से kilometer 18,000 टिकी आसे बोला helmet से तो helmet से बंदा होइला तो गाइस तो सुने गाइस if you like want to get motorcycle I would recommend Himalayan 450 lah overall best bike lah reasonable, best bike, maintenance not a jump. Fuel not bad lah. Fuel mileage no lah. Company says 30 kilometers but as my customers, their friends, riders, I ask, some say 30, 31, 32, 34, 35. I have one customer who said 36. So that way 36 is the highest lah. Mileage. So 1 liter can go up to 36 kilometers. So yeah, it depends on the riding style, the gear shift pattern, which gear you run on which RPM and all. So everything counts fuel. So it differs from rider to rider mileage. So but as from feedback from my friends, riders. So this is the feedback lah. So mileage is not bad lah. Very good lah. One thing lah, please follow the speed limit lah. Tanggup dia kasih mela. Yeah, Lockdown आहे ना तो ड्राय असतं ते त्याच्या हाला पुरा छाप 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 दिली वेज दिली आणि रोड होल रोड पण पुरा ड्राय असतं ते हॅक दिली का let's go Gadalula. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and please share my videos if possible. Thank you so much lah. Karena lo kerja dari vlog dia, ane cina stop begela. Look, next vlog में जाएगा लगा रहे लो. Let's go. Kerja.